Hello everyone and welcome in a new video. In this video, let's talk about the types of delays in project management. Actually, not all delays are the same. Some delays directly affect project completion, some are outside the contractor's control, and some are entirely the contractor's responsibility. So, to analyze and handle them properly, we classify delays into critical, excusable, and non excusable. Okay, so let's start. So, here you can see why classifying delays matter. Okay, so why do we need to classify delays? Because each type has a different effect on the project and different consequences in terms of claims. So some delays extend the project completion date while others do not. Some delays are excused by the employer and external factors while other are the contractor's honor fault. So, depending on the type, the contractor may or may not be entitled to extra time or money. So, delay classification is not just technical, it is also legal and contractual. Okay, so here you can see not all the delays have the same impact. Helps in identifying who is responsible, determines the entitlement for extension of time or compensation. Okay. Okay, so here next we have the critical delays. So the first type is critical delays. Here you can see affect the critical path of the project, then directly impact project completion date, and always are significant for delay analysis. Example we have here the late delivery of the structured steel, delaying overall completion. Okay, so, a critical delay is one of the effects, the critical path of the project. In simple words, it delays the overall completion of the project. If a critical path activity is delayed, the whole project will finish the unless corrective action are taken. Okay, so for example, if the delivery of the structured steel is delayed, the contractor cannot start superstructure work. So this will push the entire completion date forward. Okay, so that is why in delay analysis, critical delays are always the most important to identify. Okay, so next we have excusable delays. You can see here delays beyond the contractor's control, and contracts may be entitled to EOT. So here we have the two types: compensable and then non-compensable. Okay, so these are the delays that happens due to the circumstances beyond the contractor's control. In such case, the contractor may be entitled to extra time called EOT or extension of time. And then next, we have here the excusable delays are usually two types here you can see compensable and non-compensable. So in the first you can see in the compensable, the contractor gets the both time and cost. Example we have here the client late in providing drawings. So the second you can see here non-compensable excusable delays, so the contractor gets time only, but not cost. So here you can see we have the example extreme weather conditions. Okay, so the excusable delays protect the contractor when delays are not their fault. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So next we have the non-excusable delays. Okay, so delays caused by the contractor's own fault. No entitlement to EOT or cost. The contractor is responsible for recovery measures. Okay, so these delays are caused by the contractor's own mistakes or poor performance. So in this case, the contractor is not entitled to extra time or money. So they must find ways to recover, such as adding resources, working overtime, or fast tracking activities. Okay, so we have here the example you can see here. Uh, Sorry, we have here the examples: poor planning, lack of manpower, late procurement. Okay, so So these delays are the contractor's responsibility, and they may even be liable for penalties like the liquidated damages. Okay. So next we have the summary of delay types. Okay. So to summarize, critical, you can see critical delays affect the project completion date. Then excusable, here you can see beyond the contractor's control. So excusable delays are beyond the contractor's control and may give the entitlement to time and cost. Then we have the non-excusable, and non-excusables are the contractor's responsibility and provide no entitlement. Okay, so understanding these categories is essential for delay analysis, claims preparation, and dispute resolution. So the type of delay directly affects who is responsible and what compensation is possible. Okay, so I hope everything is clear about the delay types. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.